Hey guys, today we're doing another limited palette mini tutorial and we are mixing up a skin tone for Kara using these 5 colors here. I think we can safely remove the blues and the blue-gray for now, leaving us with Chinese orange, yellow lemon or lemon yellow, and bright red. So let's go ahead and get started. So, usually when I mix skin tones, I start with yellow ochre and I add a little bit of scarlet or red. So for this, I'm going to start with a little bit of the Chinese orange. Oh, I want to test it first because I am like not 200% sure. So before I commit, I'm going to test it by mixing it on my little Fiskars craft mat. And actually, this might be close to a skin tone to begin with. Ooh, no, it's like mustard. Grab a little red. Maybe I need to grab a little blue. Maybe that's where we're going with this. That is a little bit better, especially if it was... Yes, and I think a smidge of blue, but that ultramarine leaves me a little nervous. So I'm just going to do like a little bit of blue, right? And we're going to go ahead and mix it. Oh, I think I did too much blue. Well, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. Then we're going to let's reuse, recycle some of that Chinese orange straight from the mat. And grab a little more. And it's looking rough, right? Like we might have to remix, which is a thing that happens. And grab a little yellow. It's a reality. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's bad. Oh yeah, that's bad. He's bad. Let's add some red. It's just compound problems. Okay, that's actually a little better. Not really Kara skin tone, but now we kind of know how to do how to progress towards getting a darker skin tone if we wanted a darker skin tone. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to grab some yellow and some red. And then we may need to take a dropper and transfer out. Let's see. Ugh, that was a little too much blue. Isn't that funny how, like, it's very faint blue, but it's still like, oh, that's a lot of blue. So we don't really need more red. Let's grab more yellow. Almost a little more red. I think I could do it with this. I'm like not 110% pleased with it, but I think I could do it with this. So, we used a smidge, just a touch of French Ultramarine, a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of Chinese orange in order to get a workable skin tone. And normally I would just use 2 colors. I would use yellow ochre and scarlet red, but when you're working with a pre-mixed sort of sketching palette, you work with what you got. So, for the purposes of this demonstration, I use this beautiful set of 5 Sennelier watercolors, L'Aquarelle watercolors, sent to me by the wonderful Kabocha. So thank you so much, Kabocha. It was an early birthday present, and you can definitely tell I'm getting some use out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this sort of quick color mixing demonstration. And if you are interested in more color mixing demonstrations with other skin tones, let me know in the comments down below. It was a joy to see you guys again. Always a pleasure to do these sort of quick tutorials with you. And I hope you guys will check out the full field test for these watercolors, hopefully coming up soon. Bye guys!